Hi, my name is Harijanto. I'm from Singapore. I would love to do a table arrangement that actually using this metal container, ring foam from Oasis, wood paper, so call it this is from Japan. We have also thread leaf that is very flexible and very nice. The color is very velvety. And we have here very beautiful Rositarus lisianthus. We have panicum grass, and we have a chasmantium, and we have talinum here. The first one we have to do is putting fully soaked Oasis foam here, and we just use wood paper to cover the side. Just you fold 2 to 3 pieces and something like this. Then you just cut the bottom and you just start poking this to the foam. Continuously you can do the same all of these leaves to fill up the foam. So we are putting this panicum, just put randomly and to create a very natural look. This is giving a very good tone in tone green on greens as a base. Then after this you use the chasmantium. Well, since day one I become a florist, I'm always using this kind of scissors, which I think I love because it has two different things of grips. Something like a teeth actually can cut a very big stem. As the edging, it can cut the stem very well and still very sharp. So this is typical Japanese scissors that people normally in Japan using this a lot for floristry. So now I'm using the Rosita Pink Lisianthus, something that is very happy colors and giving very vibrant vibes for the arrangement. We use this a lot in Asia, basically for wedding, because it represents happiness. If you see this Rosita Pink Lisianthus, it has two tones. It's very beautiful, vibrant red and also a little bit lighter pink for the smaller parts. For the last touch, we use talinum, just giving colors to match with the metal container. It's a bit bronzy, brown color, and still goes very well with the Rosita Pink Lisianthus. Thank you so much. And this beautiful Lisianthus to beautify your table.